Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to extract all images present in Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint document files in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop screen I have a Word, Excel as well as a PowerPoint document file. So let me show you by opening each one of it. So you can see here I have some images, right? So let me open all the other files also. So you can see here open the PowerPoint. You can see here I have tons of images, right? So in order to extract all these images from this Word, Excel and PowerPoint file, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as office.files.images tool. Just search this application and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see your download option, just click on it. Now you can see here one more file with the extension .zip, just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click it to run this software. So now you can see the user interface of this software. So I'm not gonna discuss what are the options or features it's gonna provide. I will directly focus on the topic. So now what you need to do is just select all the Word, Excel or PowerPoint files from where you want to extract all the images. So I have selected different types of Word, Excel as well as PowerPoint file all at once, and now just drag it here. Now you can see here it already extracted all the images, as you can see. Now in order to export or save those picture file, what you need to do is, you can see here export all, just click on it. Now you can see all the images present in the respective Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint document files has been extracted. So you can see here one by one. So you can see all the images are being extracted. So by using this application named as office.files.images tool, you can easily extract all images present in Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint document files in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.